A remarkable archaeological discovery in Izernore, France, once the Roman settlement of Isarnodurum, is offering a vivid glimpse into everyday life in Roman Gaul. Excavations led by the National Institute for Preventive Archaeological Research, INRAP, have uncovered a Roman craft district where artisans lived and worked side by side, producing finely crafted wooden objects and leaving behind rare writing tablets still bearing traces of ink. A workshop frozen in time. The site, located on Chemin des Tablettes, revealed a woodworking hub specializing in boxwood, a material prized for its durability and smooth finish. Archaeologists found shavings, chips, and semi-finished items, confirming the presence of a local industry. Among the standout artifacts were double-toothed combs requiring advanced craftsmanship, pyxides, small boxes for jewelry or cosmetics, spindle whorls used in textile production. The strategic location near raw materials allowed artisans to work with green wood, making shaping easier and more precise. Writing tablets with ink still visible. Perhaps the most astonishing find was a collection of at least 15 writing tablets, some still bearing visible ink inscriptions. These tablets, akin to school notebooks or official documents, were widely used across the Roman Empire. The Izarnodurum set is unique due to the presence of manufacturing offcuts, suggesting local production. A 6-line ink inscription currently being deciphered. Evidence of triplex codex construction, hinting at sophisticated documentation practices. These tablets offer rare insight into literacy, administration, and education in Roman provincial life. Tiny footprints of the past. Adding a poignant touch to the excavation were children's wooden soles, preserved in the waterlogged environment of ancient wells. These fragile remnants speak to the presence of families and the rhythms of daily life in the settlement. Organic preservation and historical significance. The exceptional preservation of organic materials, wood, seeds, pollen, was made possible by the oxygen-deprived, waterlogged conditions of the wells, which had been repurposed as refuse pits. This allowed archaeologists to reconstruct not just the tools and products of Roman artisans, but also their environment and lifestyle. Why it matters. This discovery not only enriches our understanding of Roman craftsmanship but also connects Izernore to a broader tradition of comb-making that persisted in the region until the 18th century. The artifacts mirror similar finds across the Roman world, highlighting trade networks and cultural continuity.